Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add sticky notes on your Android home screen. If you want to add your notes to your Android home screen, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to keep a long press on your home screen empty place, and then this pop-up will be shown. You just have to select widgets, select it, and here you have to look for notes widget, notes or keep notes. In my phone it is notes, so just select it, and here you just have to select this widget. Just select it and then select add widget, and after that it will add it to your home screen. You have to select the note which you want to select to your home screen. And I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it and then it will add it to my home screen. I can easily move it and customize it on my behalf. So that's how you can easily add sticky notes to your Android home screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.